I want iced tea.
Iced tea.
Yeah.
Is this okay for you?
Massage okay? So yeah, I went for a fitness tour. It was 5 days, amazing 5 days of workout, sun, enjoyment, having a lot of photo, video shoots, everything. Literally, we became thinner, much healthier, much clever. So it was just perfect. Now I'm gonna show you my vlog for the next 4 days. You ready? I think when day 5 comes, you're just forgetting about this kind of beauty already. Like on day 5, you don't see any more difference in color of water or outside. Actually so enjoying the weather and the time spending. Don't wanna even talk, I swear. This amazing, beautiful greens, 27, 28 degrees, not more, not like in Dubai 50. A lot of walking, what I really missed. For 2 years, just driving, like I'm really miss just to walk. Usually what he was doing, the classes here on this area next to the pool, beach access everywhere around the island. So the girls are always chilling. Anywhere you just take the towel, take your bicycle, come and do your I'm super naked and without anything. I'm going to Watersport.
I do.
Thank you. At Watersport there is a lot of activities. I had a lot of jet ski in Dubai and other stuff. So for me, kayak, I never tried in my life. I think it's most boring stuff, but kayak, I never ever tried at all. The song goes, I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world, like plastic, it's fantastic, you can brush my hair and brush me everywhere. Song from my young cake. Welcome! Hi guys, how are you? Nice. I think it's the best time to think. It's okay, don't worry.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo.
To go all the way to my villa. It's pretty far. Water villas and see.
There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life.
Oh, I know the way how to see. Feel yourself myself comfortable in any situation, you know. I'm really far from the place where I should go. Wait, that's so hot. Let's go. But I don't want to remove my jacket, really. It's super hot. Today, by the way, is hotter than was yesterday, and yesterday in the night was rain. I left my laptop outside without cover, and it got wet a bit. It was raining. You cannot believe, but I'm still on the same place. 30 minutes on the same place. It was not far. I just was here and turned back. I didn't go far. This is my first time.
It's okay, you can go.
What is your name?
Ali,
Ali. Where are you from?
Maldives.
Maldives? Wow, nice.
How about you?
I'm from Ukraine, but I live in Dubai. See you. Tomorrow I will see you, for sure. So, for today, enough for me.
Okay.
7 minutes. I didn't go far. I just went here and I'm like, women can't drive.
Yeah.
We cannot drive, you know. So this, okay, we're saying bye bye after tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna see you. Yeah? Today is the 6th day that I'm at Maldives. My hair disaster, my eyelashes as well. But it's an amazing, beautiful weather. It's just.
Ты не боится? Она кусает тебя.
Кусает?
Да.
Большой. You're selling these crabs?
I'm selling this crab, yes.
$5.
$5, yeah.
You don't have to
She die? She die? It's okay. What happened? She died? It's okay, it's okay. She killed guys. She killed the crab. She's very strong woman. So now she.
Он жив.
Он жив? Серьезно?
Боже мой. Ну что ты мне такое?
Ты, он живой.
Иди ко мне, моя зайчка.
Да.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been.
Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today will be full day of vlogging. Now we're coming for a breakfast. Today a lot of things to do because this is the last day me here at Maldives. Tomorrow we are leaving in the morning, early morning. So today PCR test, other stuff. So a lot of activities and plus chill. Hey, good morning. Morning. This resort has like 95% of Russian speakers, so you feel yourself like in home country. Now dinner time. Everyone who has mask on, only we can have everything like coffee, food. So the guys already know how to make for me Americano. It's half cup, always with every meal. Thank you. Yeah, half cup. Thank you a lot. See you soon. Yes, say bye.
Go.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, very good.
Everyone very nice and sweet.
Hello, man.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good. And you, man?
Show some tricks. Show me your biceps. What fitness advices to my girls you can give? Okay, I want a 3 eggs white.
3 egg white.
Yeah. I want a sausage, onion, tomato, double mushrooms. And that's it. If you see how much food I ate last days, you will be shocked. Make it on the fire. And everyone, actually I cook my omelette. I want a cheese now. This cheese I used to eat in Turkey. It's like Changlish cheese. Yeah. One of my favorites. It's very salty. It has a lot of sodium, but anyway, it's the most delicious one. Actually, here is a lot of sweets. You can also see gluten-free bread. Gluten-free, I believe it's true. So I'm gonna take a couple pieces. I don't have to pieces here. Just because I tried already everything, I can be sure what I want today. I like this muesli. Can you tell me with which milk you did it?
Yes.
Milk?
Milk and yogurt.
Soya milk or normal?
No, normal.
Normal milk, yeah? I'm not gonna take today normal milk. Thank you a lot.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Excellent.
Eggs, toast eggs. One of my favorite pancakes. Can you show me how it cooks? Wow.
And one more.
And one more. Not today, huh? Yeah, juices, everything. Actually, in the middle of the day, you can see a lot of Indian food with curry, with stuff. I believe it's their traditional sausage. Sausage, I will take. Hi, how are you? I want one sausage. One. And okay, make this one. Bacon. Yeah, a lot of bacon. Eggs. Can I have coconut as well? Yeah. Little bit, not much. Yeah, it's fine. Thank you. I'm done for now. Coffee and my breakfast. For these days, I didn't take scales. I didn't weigh myself. I think my weight didn't change actually because muscles went down and fat went up. Maybe cannot even explain how many sweets, chocolate, ice cream, everything we ate for the past couple of days. So today, like, oh, today you took healthy food, that's why you wanna make vlog? Yeah, I hope I will do. I was thinking I'm gonna do 0 carbs day, but not possible. Last day of German even for food, so I need to get everything what I wanted for the past days, for the next days, to not crave of anything when I will be back to Dubai. 15, 16 years old, I remember, like, I can wake up when, if I am on my vacation, I just start my morning from cider or beer, you know, and I'm like, whatever, I'm on my vacation. Just because now I don't like drink too much. Actually not drinking at all. But maybe I will drink in the future, that's why I don't want to tell them.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile for all I care. Just
And like this, just 2-3 times per day.
gonna leave you. Sabotage. You're a million. Start living now.
Finally parasailing, but because of weather, it will be okay. We can start. Hi, we're going for parasailing.
Not hard. You will be starting from the platform of the boat and then you get to the platform.
How it will be around the island? That side.
Yes, because we will have to check the wind. Yeah.
Check the wind. Scary? Not scary.
Юль, ты бесстрашная вообще. Как это?
Ты только узнал?
Fearless. А?
Fearless.
So have you done parasailing before?
No, never.
Anyways, I will give you a small briefing about how we do parasailing.
Please.
We have a very safe and simple system. You start from the platform of the boat and then you get to the platform. Yeah? The duration of the flight will be 15 minutes starting from the platform until the end.
Perfect. Make it 1 hour. Yeah. I want to fly 1 hour. And I'm gonna buy ice cream on the top of the sky. Is there selling any?
No.
If something happens with you guys, what I gonna do?
You'll be in the water.
But no one will come to save me.
No, we will go.
Sure, yeah. You will not leave me alone.
I will.
You will. What about my makeup? Feel it ruined? I think it's broken, no?
Can you breathe?
Yeah, I can breathe. No, it means that it's not good. You cannot breathe anymore. I'm gonna get a bit of tan under the sky.
We'll be very close to the sun.
Very close. Sun loves me. No, Mr. Sun. It's just fun. Oh, beautiful. So long. Very fun. Look how slow they are. Meters under the sky. Even they said that if you feel not okay, just put your hands on the side and make waves. And I'm thinking, once I made waves and they still didn't, they're not looking at me even.
What is going backward?
Dios, was beautiful. Yeah. It was the same as sitting on the boat, just very high. I wish it was fast. That's it. It's beautiful because it's really beautiful. My GoPro. I hide it. Jet ski time!
Okay,
Yeah.
she was waiting, so
She
I
was
didn't know.
waiting
I
off.
didn't know it was you.
And then once you're ready, let you go.
Okay, we are ready.
I don't even know what I get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me. Gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, she didn't even see me. Gaze yesterday. Cause I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it
We
down.
wish to have two jet ski at the same time, but this island not allowed to jet ski at the same time on the water. Thank you for watching. Hope see you soon. I think the best finishing of the day is when you are coming for the spa.
Just like that, like me like that.
I want iced tea. Yeah.
That is okay for you.
Massage aqui, massage aqui. Yeah, it was amazing. Thank you
Thank
a
you
lot.
so
babe.
much,
Thank
madam. You're so sweet.
you. You are.
Thank you.
Time for the flower bed.
I don't even know what to get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane.
Actually, it was amazing time spending, and the last 4 days was super surprise for me. My friend came, we enjoyed, we did a lot of activities as a jet ski, parasailing, we went for the massage, spa, everything. We took the bike, we checked all island, it's pretty huge. Here more than 600 rooms. So just think how many people here is. 3 bars, place areas, big swimming pool, a restaurant, activities every night, the fire shows, the light show, belly dance, yoga classes, aerobic classes, everything. Literally everything at this resort. I so enjoyed, you cannot imagine. Remember one rule, if you plan something, don't be affected by your mood, by your brain, by changing plans of other people. If you put yourself something, just go and get it. That's it, period. This vlog is finishing. Thank you a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed today, the last day. So we're going to enjoy with my girl. Bye bye.